This Undercover Brothers. What's the right here? So we got Neil Gray. And we got our newsman. We're out here in the woods of Carrington. We got this little corn pile set up in a Carrington. Timbo is going to be his first bow line. It's going to be his first deer he's going to ever kill and the first deer he's ever going to see in the woods. We'll walk him up today. Put him back in corn now. Check the camera. When was it last night?
Yeah, we checked the camera last night.
We checked the camera last night. One of the pictures we have 7 does all huddled up around this corn. So hopefully one of them we're going to walk out in this afternoon. We're going to take him one afternoon hunt too. I'd like to see him kill one morning and afternoon hunt. That'll tickle me to death. We'll just go in the backyard and skin it. By the way, I'll post a picture of me and Neil skinning my doe in my backyard at 1 in the morning. My grand's gonna be pissed, but who cares? Hopefully we'll get him a doe or 2.
Or a buck.
Or a buck. Whatever walks out, I'll let him shoot. Now, if he misses, I won't be ready to shoot too. If it's a big old buck, if it's a doe, I ain't gonna be worried about it. I'll just let him kill him. I don't really like shooting does. I'll never shoot a doe again, probably. Because that doe I killed was about 90 pounds to 100 pounds. Yeah, it was some chicken shit. And one maybe 60, 70 pounds. Damn squirrel. Yeah, I'll try to get him on a deer this afternoon or this morning. So,
Anyways, Neil Gray here. I got some shout outs to make. First of all, every man who hunts, fishes, just every man needs a good old Tempest. Some Copenhagen long cut straight. And they also need to drink some Lipton green tea. Shout out to Bear.
It's the Bear Truth too. Shout out to Bear.
Shout out to the Redhead Chronic.
Oh yeah, baby.
And definitely wear hunting gear.
Yeah.
Keeps you warm. Anyways, we got some scent locker.
That's some good shit.
Anyways,
We're hunting with some game winner today, baby. Game winner #1.
this is our video and we're out. See y'all.